The Tadano Mantis Corporation, based in Franklin, Tennessee, is a leading manufacturer of telescopic boom crawler cranes. The welding process at the Tadano Mantis Corporation Plant in the USA is a crucial step in producing telescopic boom crawler cranes. High-strength steel is used for key components like the boom and crane body. Expert welders and advanced robotic systems handle welding tasks to ensure precision and structural integrity. Multiple welding techniques, including MIG and TIG welding, are employed depending on the material and component requirements. Every welded joint undergoes rigorous quality inspections, including ultrasonic testing, to ensure the durability and safety of the crane under heavy loads and extreme conditions. The primary structural components, including the boom and crane body, are made from high-strength steel. At the Tadano Mantis plant, raw steel sheets and bars are precisely cut, welded, and shaped to create the crane's framework. This process requires advanced fabrication equipment, including CNC machines for cutting and forming parts with extreme precision. Tadano ensures that all steel components meet strict specifications to guarantee the structural integrity of the cranes. The cranes are painted with durable, corrosion-resistant coatings to withstand harsh outdoor environments. This final touch ensures that the crane not only performs well, but also retains its appearance and longevity over time. Telescopic boom assembly. The welding process during the production of the telescopic boom assembly at the Tadano Mantis Corporation Plant in the USA is a critical and highly precise operation that ensures the strength and durability of the crane. The telescopic boom is the central feature of these cranes, providing the necessary flexibility to extend or retract for various lifting heights. High-strength steel is used for the boom sections, requiring skilled welders and advanced robotic welding systems to ensure optimal performance. The welding process includes MIG, metal inert gas, and TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding techniques, both known for creating strong, clean welds that are essential for withstanding heavy loads and resisting environmental stresses. The use of robotic welding arms ensures consistency and precision, especially in areas that require intricate welds. Automation not only increases production efficiency, but also maintains uniform quality across all boom sections. These machines perform detailed welding tasks that may be difficult or time-consuming for manual welders, such as reaching tight corners of the boom structure. Each welded section undergoes thorough inspection, including non-destructive testing, NDT methods, such as ultrasonic testing and X-ray imaging, to check for defects like cracks or weak points. This quality control process is vital to guarantee that the boom assembly can endure the dynamic stresses it will face during crane operation. This careful attention to the welding process is key to the reliable performance of Tadano Mantis cranes in challenging environments, ensuring they meet both global safety standards and the company's reputation for quality. Crawler assembly. Tadano Mantis cranes are equipped with crawler tracks, which provide mobility and stability on challenging terrains. The assembly of the crawler system involves installing heavy-duty tracks that are powered by hydraulic motors. The tracks are designed to handle rough, uneven ground, making the crane versatile for use in construction sites, oil and gas fields, and other demanding environments. Tadano Mantis cranes rely heavily on hydraulic systems to operate the telescopic boom and provide lifting power. Hydraulic components, including pumps, cylinders, and hoses, are carefully assembled and tested. These systems allow for precise control of the crane's movements, and their reliability is critical for the safe operation of the crane. Tadano uses high-quality hydraulic components and conducts rigorous testing to ensure they perform under various operating conditions. The undercarriage to superstructure marriage process at the Tadano Mantis Corporation Plant involves joining the crawler undercarriage, which provides mobility and stability, to the superstructure, which houses the telescopic boom and control systems. This marriage begins by precisely aligning the two major components. Engineers use hydraulic jacks and alignment tools to ensure that the mounting points perfectly match. Once aligned, heavy-duty bolts are used to secure the undercarriage to the superstructure. Hydraulic systems and electrical connections are also integrated at this stage, ensuring the crane's full operational capabilities. Cabin installation. The cabin installation is a one-of milestone in the crane assembly process. The cabin, where the operator controls all crane functions, is pre-assembled and tested separately before being integrated with the crane's superstructure. Hydraulic and electrical lines are connected at this stage, ensuring full functionality of the crane's controls, camera systems, climate controls, and operator interface. After the cabin is securely mounted, the crane enters the final stage of assembly. This phase includes connecting and testing the hydraulic systems that control the telescopic boom, crawler tracks, and rotation mechanisms. The telescopic boom is extended and retracted multiple times to ensure smooth operation and to verify the accuracy of the hydraulic system. Rigorous testing and quality control. Before the crane leaves the factory, it undergoes a series of rigorous tests. These include load testing, where the crane is subjected to its maximum rated load to ensure the structural integrity of both the boom and the undercarriage. Mobility tests are also conducted to verify that the crawler tracks can handle rough terrain and maneuverability under load. The electrical and hydraulic systems are closely monitored for any leaks, malfunctions, or deviations from performance standards. Each crane that leaves the Tadano Mantis plant is certified to meet both U.S. and global safety standards, reflecting Tadano's commitment to high-quality manufacturing.